We learnt that when notoriety is spoken about at Hotham, this establishment is dropped in spades. The soul of Hotham, the one and only, the General. Become a little more acquainted and you'll soon be saying, the Genny.
So just had the coolest snowboard session with the all-girl crew from Miss Mary's. We also rode with Danielle from the General. I'm going to grab John and we're going to head on down there and see what Danielle is doing in the General.
Hey John, how are ya?
Good, Danny, how are you?
Yeah, good. Welcome to the Genny.